We are here in the place also.
A warm good morning to everyone. We are here in Katima Mulilo. I am the presiding officer of Katima Mulilo Open Market. My name is Che Mountain, and I'm going to give you a brief description about how the day has been going about. Earlier on, my team woke up early, set up the station, and everything was proper. So as immediately when we opened the polls, people started flocking in. Currently, as I'm speaking right now, it's just been 1 hour, but we have screened over 85 people within the time frame given. But nevertheless, I assume during the day, people will be a lot. So the queue is quite moving fast. So yeah, I think everything will be sorted out within a meantime.